This is a short video on how to change the taillight on the Generation 1 SV650. You'll need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, and also these bulbs, 21 5-watt bulbs. Start by taking out both of the screws that are holding in the rear lens. To get the lens off, use a flathead screwdriver just to pry the top so you can get your finger in there, and then you should just be able to pop it off from the bottom. Next, you can take out the old bulbs by just giving them a short twist to the left, and they'll come straight out. Bear in mind when installing the new bulb that the pins are two different heights to ensure that you fit them correctly. So if they don't go in the first time, just give them a half turn and then they should click into place. Before installing the lens, check the operation of both the bulbs, make sure that they're working with both brake levers. Install the lens again by inserting the bottom half first, and then the top should just click up back into place. Just make sure that both holes are aligned on each side. And finally, screw back in the right and the left screws. And that completes the replacement. Thanks for watching.